It's a story with deep roots and one you might find inspiring. In 2012, within a small office in Dhaka, a project was chartered with the vision of supporting the project management community in Bangladesh by partnering with the world's leading project management institution, PMI USA. After weeks of tireless efforts, meticulous documentation, and navigating numerous challenges, PMI's thorough quality assurance, in August 2012, DaySpring Limited became the first ever PMI Authorized Training Partner in the history of Bangladesh. Over a decade since, DaySpring has proudly served the project management community across various sectors, including major telecoms, leading banks, national and multinational corporations, SMEs, government ministries and agencies, IT and software firms, non-profit, and more. People sometimes spell our name as DaySpring, but in fact, DaySpring is a single word meaning dawn or the beginning of a new era. To its name, DaySpring marked a new dawn for the project management in Bangladesh. The journey would not have been possible without you. Your belief in us and your support have driven us to reach these heights. We are profoundly grateful. Thank you and take a bow.